Hello guys, what's up? How you doing? Okay, today wetin carry me come today now. I'm talking about cold water. It's because of people that always drink cold water. Some pregnant women that always drink cold water. Stop taking cold water. If you are pregnant, stop taking cold water. Water that is in the fridge, stop taking it. You can drink normal water, or if you are drinking hot water, it's not must you put it inside fridge. If you are drinking sachet water, pure water, it's not must to take the one that is too cold. You understand? Then if you are drinking borehole, the one you take with cup, stop putting it inside fridge. If you are pregnant, I'm talking about for, but if you are not pregnant, you can take cold water. But if you are pregnant, stop taking cold water because it's not good for your system, not your system only. It's not good for the baby system. You go see some people when they don't born pikin finish, pikin go come get jaundice. You understand? Cold go come enter pikin body. Now because of too much of cold water, cold food. You understand? Some people they too they lick ice cream when they are pregnant. It's good though. Ice cream is good. You understand? At least if the weather they hot, if you take ice cream, you understand? You get some people will be say you go there for AC wey cold, you will still go fridge go take cold something drink. My dear, at times if you don born dat pikin finish, different sickness, e get one wey you go born like dis, you go even dey carry your hand dey carry the pikin go dey dry am for sun. You go dey dry am dey find early morning sun. You understand, wey you go dry the pikin so dat make dat sickness wey dey im body, wey dey some na cold wey dey their body, make e clear. So I dey always advise someone as a pregnant woman, please stop taking cold thing. When you are pregnant, you can take warm food, no problem, warm water, e dey okay. Even though you are not pregnant, if you are taking warm food, your system will be very strong. But I'm serious, you will be very strong and healthy. It will hard before you fell sick. Not to talk of pregnant woman. If you are taking warm water or warm food as a pregnant woman, your body will be very strong. You understand? Not to talk of say you dey do exercise. If you go dey do exercise, dey join body, you understand, my dear, everything go rhyme. E get one of my sister wey she get belle, na so she dey waka see people wey dey play ball. Dat time she get belle, she come go dey beg dem say, please bros, I want to join una play ball. At the end, na dey come dey play the ball for ground for am. She come dey follow up dey play the ball with dem. You understand? Because you know say they no fit play am up again because of her belle. She come dey run, they come dey play am, she come dey run around. At the end, she don do exercise. When she come back house, she carry normal water, come drink. You no even bother to go dey find cold water. You understand? So please, for pregnant women, stop taking cold water that is too cold, ice water.
Ice water. Do you know that a lot of people used to take ice block? Like me now, I prefer to remove this thing that I put in my head like this. If I don't come out like this, come carry water, come pour for my head like this. You understand? Everything will come cool. Like some pregnant women, you don't even need to deplat all this long attach, put out for your head. At times, you need to remove the wig, remove the things where you put for your head. Make breeze enter your head so that you too, you go breathe well, you understand? So for me, wetin me I dey talk be say, for pregnant women, you don't need to say, make you dey drink cold water. There is some certain things wey you need to do. You get some people wey dey go plait their hair to even lose the hair na war. You understand? They go there with their husband, the hair will come dey smell, which is very, very bad. It's not good at all. But for me, I will only say, take care of yourself.